What's up, YouTube? We're gonna be working on the 135 today. We're gonna be installing the rear seat delete, fully carbon fiber. Maybe I'll just move the roll cage over, just clean her up, make it look nice. Man, she's dirty right now, but we're gonna get her cleaned up. I might do the roll cage again, a different color. I'm not too sure. Rear seat delete through here. If not, then we'll be taking out the roll cage. But we're gonna vacuum everything up, make it look good, and then we'll install. All right, cool guys. So I believe I gotta take these out real quick. I don't need seatbelts no more. Take these out. If anybody needs seatbelts, let me know. Fuck, it's cold out here, man. It's gonna rain anytime soon. But yeah, we took the seatbelts out. I'm not gonna need those no more. I'm just gonna vacuum her up, and then we should be good to go. The rear seat delete's gonna cover these up. I just don't know where they're gonna bolt onto. Maybe they'll bolt onto here. I'm not sure. But I don't have an E82, guys. I got an E87. Let's go. All right, guys. So I'm gonna just vacuum it up, make it look clean, and I put it up here for now. Just let it sit. I think I should be okay without moving the roll cage. So let's vacuum her up, make it look clean. I thought I had a vacuum, but I didn't, so I went to go buy one. A little shop vacuum. So that's cool. Now I got myself a little vacuum. Brand new vacuum. We don't need these because who doesn't know how to operate a vacuum? Got my little accessories. It's a badass fucking vacuum. Look at this, y'all. It's real nice. Real nice. So the top comes with the filter already, so that's cool. Your accessories, your hoses, it's nice. I got the wheels, that's fucking cool. Yeah, I'll put this shit together right now. How many wheels? 1, 2, 4 wheels. Accessories. This is pretty badass. Cool. So we'll just put these wheels on real quick. All right, cool. So we got the vacuum set up. Now let's vacuum this mess. Make her clean, cause she is dirty. God damn. Alright, cool guys, so we're fitting in the panel. We're fitting in the panel right now. So far so good. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues. In the panel, so this looks to me like this is how it's gonna sit. Oh, you guys, so it's gonna cover those panels. If you guys ever taken off your seat, then you know it has little clips right here, and Nelson from Nelson Racefield did a great job on this panel. All right guys, I'm getting the hardware out right now. We just test fitted the panel, and man, that shit looks lovely. Let me get some lighting in here so I can show you guys, but dude, it looks amazing. I still need to do the top panel, but the bottom panel, it's nice. Cool guys, so I got a little dark out here. I got the light over here. So everything's already lined up, so you guys can see. I got the top and the bottom. We just have to put in the brackets that hold these together, and Nelson provides you with these L brackets for the sides. They go under the panel, and then you screw on the Allen keys that they come with, and then the middles comes with these little L shaped. So same thing from the bottom, make it look clean. So we're gonna get to that right now, and we should be good. Just a quick overview of what we did today. This is a carbon fiber rear seat delete from Nelson Racing Wheel on Instagram. You guys check them out for any carbon fiber needs. This is a 2-panel, 2-piece installation, one top and one at the bottom. In my case, I didn't have no seats, so it was a little easier for me to slide the bottom. And it comes with these clips that you just clip on, you just push down, and you'll hear a clicking sound, and that's how you know you're secure. He does provide hardware. This is an L. It goes at the bottom of it, and you're gonna screw in those Allen keys on both sides. Yeah, guys. So save your hardware. You are gonna be using the existing holes on here. See, for this one is an L shape. Use two that they provide, and you screw in, and then you use your own. Boom. Look at that. So now no more empty hole. Carbon fiber seat delete is on. She is looking good. I like that. She's complete for it. Hell yeah, thank you Nelson for helping me. And thanks for the product. Good shit, guys.